Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss pointers in C in continuation to my previous lecture. So आज हम ये देखेंगे कि double pointer are the normal variables, how we can use the double pointers in C programs and why it is required. So let me take one example. So suppose we have a declaration say int x which is initialized with the value say 5. There is another variable y, and suppose we are making this as a single pointer, and there is another variable say z which is having double pointer. So first we will have to understand how we'll make the pointer as a double pointer. So we will have to only give the name of variable, and before that we will have to write 2 times asterisk or dereferencing operator, right? Now we'll see why it is required actually. So in this case, suppose we are trying to represent in the memory are these variables. So suppose in the memory, this is our x, which is having value 5, and let's say its memory location is 100. Then there is another variable y. Still we have not allocated any value in this y, and suppose its memory location is 200, right? And then we are using a third pointer variable which is a double pointer, and suppose name of this variable is z, and suppose its memory location is 300. Now suppose after above declaration, if we are writing y is assigned with address of x, right? This is a one statement in C, and there is another statement we are trying to write z is assigned with ampersand y, that is in z we are storing the memory location of x. Now here we will have to understand the meaning of double pointers. So since here z is a variable which is storing the memory location of variable y, which itself is a single pointer, right? So double pointer just indicates that this pointer variable will use to store the memory location of some variable like here y, which is already a single pointer variable. So that's why here we are using two indirection operators to represent this as the double pointer. Now after these declaration, if suppose we are writing here the content of these variable y and z, so y is assigned with ampersand x, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि y में x की मेमोरी लोकेशन which is what is 100, right? And then second statement says z is assigned with ampersand y. That means now z will store the memory location of y. So memory location of y is 200, right? So in this way, it is a kind of memory representation. Now we will see how we will access these values, right? So in C, so like in the previous lecture, we have seen that in case of accessing the normal variable or pointer variable, so for that we can write it like printf percentage t, and if we are trying to access the value of x using this pointer variable, so in this case pointer variable is y, so here we will write asterisk y. So the meaning of it is, so okay, this is the overside, so let me go with the model. So printf format specify percentage d asterisk y. Now what this is, indicates asterisk is value at y, and now value of y is 100, so value at 100 and value of 100 is 5, so its output will be 5. Now in the same way, if we are trying to retrieve the value of x using z, because also z is storing the memory location of y, so is a double pointer, so we